Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. This evening guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook some basmati rice. As you can see, yeah guys, some basmati rice and brown stew chicken back guys. Guys, in my chicken back, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some lentil peas in my brown stew chicken back guys, so you don't know the badness. As you can see guys, see my chicken back, put my chicken back to go and thaw out. You understand what I mean? So in the meantime guys, I go light up my stove and put on my rice. For my rice go and cook guys. So guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. And guys, big up to my new subscriber them guys. I want to know big up on yourself. You understand what I did? Yeah, don't know the badness go. Each one help one guys. And guys, who not subscribe to the channel yet, I want to know subscribe and help me reach to 1K guys. Please and thanks. You understand what I did? More reach 1K subscriber guys. So guys, like up the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell as a video drop guys have it. So guys, me soon come back. I'm gonna light up the stove and put on my rice. I'm gonna see what I go on in the kitchen. Soon come back guys. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna light up my fire now. Yeah guys, some rice and some brown stew chicken back guys. You don't know the badness. Yeah guys, now my chicken back, I'm gonna throw some lentil peas, overs. Guys, that one I go bad. Soon come back. Just watch the video, like up the video, subscribe to the channel. As a video drop guys, you have it. Clicking the notification bell. Soon come back guys. Also guys, I have a planting. Yeah guys, so my planting big. Yeah, I go fry my planting guys. You don't know the badness in the kitchen. Yeah guys. Yeah guys, so pot a boil up. So guys, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pour in my rice guys. Guys, I know the badness in the kitchen. So guys, what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna cut up the chicken now. I'm gonna sew what go on in the kitchen. You understand me? I did. Soon come back, guys. Now make my rice go and cook. Be a badness. Yeah, guys. So now clean up the chicken back, guys. And the chicken back. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So I go on in the pot there. Yeah, be a badness. Guys, soon come back. guys, I'm gonna use some browning. Some browning, guys, for my chicken back. Guys, I'm gonna put a chicken season on a hard purpose. Yeah, guys. So a chicken season on a hard purpose. Guys, you know me, man, I love a whole heap of bag season, overs. So the ground season, guys, we soon come back. Yeah, guys, now cut up some ground season, guys. You don't know the badness. As you can see on the fire, guys, I made the rice pot and the chicken back. Yeah, guys, so finish cut up the season. Scallion, thyme, onion and pepper. Yeah. So guys, I'll try and go on over here for now. And the chicken back pack this. Be a badness, guys, be a badness. Guys, see my rice over here, so I don't know the badness looking at pot, guys. One pot of basmati. Basmati, how you call it. So, guys, my rice cook. So I'm gonna lock off my stove. You understand what I did and focus on my chicken back, guys. So I'm gonna lock off the rice back. Yeah, guys, so now focus on my chicken back here now. Overs, guys. And the planting, I'm gonna fry my planting, I'm gonna sow go on. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so the badness this night pot. You understand what I do? What I do, you know, guys. I go put in my ground season and I'm gonna sow go on. Guys, I soon come back. Yeah, guys, so the badness this, guys. So I go in my kitchen. Guys, I be a badness. Stay tuned for the finishing look, guys, and in the plate, guys. Yeah, guys, I soon come back. Yeah, guys, so this is the finishing look, guys. Be a badness, guys. Brown stew chicken back with my lentil peas, guys. So I go on my plate. My basmati rice, guys. Don't know the badness, guys. I'm out, guys. See you in our next video, guys. And remember, guys, like up the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell as a video drop, guys. You have it, guys. I'm out.